Okay, I'm going to start with this week's webinar. Today is 217 August 29th. It's almost the second last day of this month, right? Yeah, we still have another 2 days to close the monthly chart. And we just have heard the news from this week that North Korea launched a missile, okay? Launched a missile, and also just now the euro actually breaks 1.2, okay? And okay, let's do it one by one. Okay, firstly, euro. Okay, let's have an update. In the last week, okay, we're trying to short euro. Okay, based on what we see is 1.1815. This 0.618 level keep acting as a resistance, and we short. And every time we short, we make money, right? Yeah, remember? It's actually 3 to 4 times as short. We're making money until one strong bullish candle comes, okay? And it's actually due to the Yellen speaking and Draghi speaking, okay? So let's just count, okay? The first time it breaks down and pulls back to 1.115, we win about 100 pips, right? So second time comes from 1.115 to 1.1690, that is another 100 pips. And the third time, and also then here have a Gardy pattern, if you can see, right? This time didn't win 100 pips, but about 50 pips. And the fourth time is just a little bit like 30 pips. And then we lose. How much we lose? We lose our stop loss is about here. Okay, it's about 1.1910. Okay, it's here. Okay, so from 1.1815 to 1.19110, that is about 100 pips, right? So we win 1, 2, 3, and 3.5. Okay, so it's 350 pips move. We win. Okay, before it actually hits our stop loss for 100 pips. And guess what? So when the stop loss is hit, what should you do, guys? Can you tell me? When your stop loss level is hit by this bullish move, what shall we do? Shall we keep our bears or shall we just leave it? Answer me. We should just leave, right? Because this level, this 1.1815 level plus this structure here is all the reasons that we want to short euro. If the euro breaks new high, which means the trend is up, the trend is continued from the bullish trend. Okay, we already win a lot of 1, 2, 3, and 3.5. Okay, 350 pips. Who is using my Zoom? Hello guys, are you still with me? Give me a message. I think someone have okay, good. Okay, so we already have quite good winners. Okay, and we don't want that the bullish moves to to hurt to eat all our profits, right? So when your stop loss was hit, just leave the trade. Okay, it basically means that we don't have any other reasons to short euro again since the trend has breaks new high and looks now. Look at now. If you never stop here, you will be hurt for another 100 pips move, right? And it all the way goes to this 1.618 level, okay? So let's just talk about this, okay? So discipline is very important, okay? If your stop loss is hit, okay, you just want to keep your stop loss small at here. You don't want to keep your stop loss so much bigger, okay? All the way, hopefully it will come down, but it will just going up. Okay, so this is a very, very important lesson I want to teach you guys. Okay, so we have a 350 moves, 300 pips win, and we lost 100. In the end, we're still making money. Okay, but if you never have stop loss, you will be end of nothing. Okay, so this is the first move. Okay, now let's look at the euro. Okay, the euro goes to the 1.618 extension move from this leg. Okay, and what the price action telling me? Okay, just before that, I think let me just post you here. This is my on 4:30, just 1 hour ago, when the euro first touched here 1.2063. Okay, and I said euro we can short right now, but this message I tells to my Chinese students. Okay, and the reason is based on this 1.618 extension, and I'm thinking the euro may fall down. Okay, it may fall down to this level first, 1.1980. Okay, to this structure first, and then back to the move to 1.1910. Okay, so this is a short-term, remember, short-term selling, okay, short-term selling. Long-term, let's go into daily chart. Daily chart, euro, okay, is bullish, okay, and since it breaks 1.19, okay, since it breaks here, okay, which actually tells you that the upper side move, upper side space is open, okay, so until the euro falls back down to 1.1910 again, we don't want to say it is bearish. Okay, it is still bullish. It's bullish, create higher high and higher lows. Okay, so just watch for this 1.2060. Okay, this 1.618 level, and also go to the weekly chart. Let's see. Okay. Weekly chart looks euro quite very crazy move, right? From 1.05 to 1.20. That is almost 1,500 pips. Okay, and look here, there are some structure being very important structure is here, 1.2041 to 1.2141, this level. Okay, so I'm now looking at this level because this level, since the euro broken it, it is first time come back. Okay, so when the price first time come back, there will be a lot of selling pressure here and a lot of resistance will be here. That's why we can see into the 1 hour chart. Okay, the 1.2060 also in confluence with the 1.618 extension. Okay, they are acting very well. Okay, so I'm thinking that if the euro cannot go across 1.2064, you can short euro until to 1.1970 or 1.1980. That is a short-term bearish selling. Okay, that is a trade for the selling of short term. Okay, it may, okay, let me just remind you, the euro won't just directly go down. Okay, it has to stay above 1.20 for a little bit. Okay, and trying to make a double top or triple top sometimes. If you, a lot of times we go through this. Okay, you may fall this kind of a sideways, and there will be a chance that the final rally cannot break the new high and breaks down the support area only until this topping formation. Okay, this topping patterns occurred, then you start to short euro for long term. Do you guys understand? Okay, I don't want to hear that, okay, you want to short euro right now since it is 1.618 or whatever the weekly resistance, and you want to hold, hopefully the euro can just, directly reverse down. It won't reverse down so quickly. It will actually consolidating for a little while, okay, maybe for several days or several weeks, okay, trying to form a double top at least, triple top better, okay, break neckline, and what you're looking for is looking for reversal trade, okay, pulling back to structure and short. Okay, and short. Okay, guys, give me a minute. I need to have a phone call. Okay, so this is for the euro, okay, and I want you guys to be very clear, okay. It may have a correction move to 1.1980, okay, and it may go up again and makes a consolidation only when the neckline was broken and you start to short. Otherwise, don't short, okay, because although weekly it is into the resist structure, but we need to find time to confirm our trade, okay. Right now it's still bullish trend, so any shorting any shorting or selling force or selling trade is short-term base. Okay. Okay, so this is very clear. Okay, because I'm going to catch a flight in the next 5 hours. Okay, so that's why I put the meetings at this time, and I have to go go through all the pairs very quickly. So prepare your questions and ask me here, and so that I can answer you. Okay. Do you have any concerns or any puzzles with all the pairs? Just raise your hand. Okay, raise your hand and tells me what is the pair you're looking for. You're confused. Okay, let's look at the gold. Okay, the gold. Why I say the trend is changed because it breaks the horizontal structure here. Okay, it breaks 1,300. Okay, so in the last week, same thing. We're trying to short gold from 1293, and it works pretty well. Okay, you can see here this 1293 0.618 level short. You earn 100 pips first, then you earn another 100 pips. It earns 200 pips until it hits into this structure here. Okay, so at the support structure, you should take profit or at least move your stop loss to break even. All right, and then the gold just breaks up this morning, breaks 1003. Okay, the missile launched by North Korea pushed the price up, and then it goes to 1325. Okay, so I want to highlight to you guys that be prepared. Since it is a true breakout, it is high likely for the gold to go to this level. Okay, which I measured this move. Okay, I put into the extension here. So I just want you guys to highlight this 1343, and also this 1367. It is likely for the gold to go up to this level. Okay, because this horizontal structure was broken, so the trend is up. Okay, and trend is up, it may have this momentum to go even higher. And look at here, only we have this pin, and we have a lot of the structure in 2016, but that is not so important right now, because I think what we should do is, if the gold ever pull back to here, we can buy. Okay, we can buy. Okay, don't chase the price, don't chase high. Okay, finding low, finding pullback to buy. Where is the best place to buy? Here, right? 1,300. That would be the best level, because that is a previous top here, now acting as support. Okay, goes into 1 hour chart. You can see there was people to buy, but the second buy, you can see here now the profit taking is actually occurring, right? So you don't want to buy from all this range. You want to buy from the beginning part. Okay, so I think from 1,300 to 1,304 will be a level for you to looking at. Okay, now just waiting for the price to pull back. Okay, buy low. Okay, buy low. Euro Swiss franc. Okay, Euro Swiss franc looks very, very bullish. Okay, it may goes back to 1.18. Okay, go back to not say 1.2, but I think it's going back to 1.18. Okay, this is a very strong bullish trend, but now it's actually kind of an exhausting move. Okay, 1, 2, 3 times cannot break up high. It may goes back to this level 1.2, 1.1260. Okay, so if the Euro Swiss goes to this level, okay, watch the price action. It may have another buying opportunity. Okay, and I think long term this one is going up. Okay, let me finish the gold first. Okay, so the gold, you can either wait for it to comes back to 103 and you can buy, or you wait for the price to go to 1343 first. Okay, this 1.272 extension is some structure here. There may be some shorting setups. Again, don't short if the price action is not so good or not so bearish. Okay, short with some confirmation from the price action in the 1 hour chart or 4 hour charts. Okay, but anyway, don't short right now. Okay, here some pullback may still goes up. The trend is up. Okay, US 30, that is Dow Jones, right? Okay, so the Dow Jones, as I said in last week, I think Dow Jones is putting a top here. Okay, can see this first top, the second top cannot goes higher. All right, pulls back, still goes lower, and this time I think the Dow Jones may break this 21598. Okay, if it breaks here, the Dow Jones may take a deep drop to all the way to 21187 to this level. Okay, so just pay attention to this level. All right, that is very important. Okay, don't buy until it hits this level. Right, this structure I don't think it will be so supported. Okay, let's go to the sterling. Okay, sterling has a beautiful rally. Okay, in the last week, in my I can't remember which webinar, but I do actually tell you guys to look for this wedge broken buying setups is here. Okay, there's a little wedge here in the 1 hour chart. Okay, it breaks up and pulls back to 618. Okay, that is 1.2797. That is we buy from here, stop below 1.2780, and look at here. Now you earn about 200 pips, right? So I think you sterling you can take profit of your alarm because this is a structure very important, quite strong for the sellers. Okay, it may not go through very far, but in the daily chart, I think sterling may goes to 1.31. Okay, you can use a Fibonacci level to measure the potential move. Okay, it may go to 1.3080. Okay, that is a move for the sterling. So don't short sterling. Okay, short, sell high, buy low, sell high. You either wait for the price to pull back a little bit and buy low, and wait for set your target to 0.618 or even higher. Okay, let's go for the Aussie. Okay, Aussie daily chart looks like trying to getting higher, close higher, but it failed, right? So Aussie now is sideways. Okay, the 0.80 is a very important structure for the sellers, and 0.7850 is important structure for the structure of support. So within this range, you can consider to buy low, sell high. Okay, if the range was broken, find some things to pull back to buy or pull back to short. Okay, that's for the Aussie. So Aussie no much direction here. Okay, it is actually sideways because didn't break up new high. Okay, same thing for the Kiwi. Kiwi, the high is here. This neckline 0.74115 is high. The 0.72 now acting as support. So within this range, do the range trading. Okay, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay, let's go to the dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen is interesting because dollar yen it breaks new low. Okay, so I'm no longer very bullish on dollar yen because this keeps going down, and now the 108 level, okay, becomes a potential neckline for the dollar yen. Okay, this is a huge top. Okay, if the 108 was broken, it will goes down to at least to this level, to 105. So be aware that don't buy dollar yen, okay, because I feel that the 108 may be broken. Okay, it's testing too much times. Okay, so a lot of orders are being consumed. Okay, there are no longer strong forces, and be aware that the gold is going up, right? The risk the risk off. Okay, it is actually the overall the environment for trading is like people are selling risky assets into the safe havens like yens, like gold or Swiss franc. Okay, so I think the dollar yen may going down. Okay, let's move on to our dollar CAD Canadian. Okay, so dollar CAD actually have a move up and now all the way back again. Okay, so this time you need to watch for the support, whether the 1.2413 to 1.2430, whether this support can hold the momentum. Okay, because this may be a second test of the low. Okay, this is the first move. Okay, and now it's a second test. Okay, so it's very important for us to watch this horizon. Okay, if this breaks new low, basically means the downtrend is continue. You want to short it, you can still short. If cannot break new low and totally reversed, which tells you the dollar can may have a double bottom, right? So let's check about the oil. Okay, oil actually goes down. Okay, goes down. Oil makes top here and also breaks the neckline. The neckline was here. Okay, it's broken. So oil you want to find a pullback to short, and the trend line was broken as well. Okay, so oil I think is bearish. Okay, find some place to short. It will go back to 44 or 43. Okay, lastly, let's go talk about the SPS 500. Same thing with the Dow Jones. Okay, so it's actually a first top, second top. The high is getting lower. The high is getting lower, forms a bearish trend channel. Okay, so it may continue to fall within this channel. Okay, so just find pullback to short, find pullback to short, all the way till I think this time at least to 2,410. That is the first support area, and then will be 2364. Okay, so S&P may goes down. So you don't want to buy until it hits to 2360. To this level, it may have some bounce. I think it's the downtrend starts. Okay. Sterling CAD, right? Okay, Sterling CAD, I think, okay, all the GBP pairs, I think, are okay to buy because from the location wise, it's really in the low location and have some, okay, you see here, Sterling Canada have a gap up, okay, gap up. And now it actually breaks the structure of 1.610, okay? So it's actually when you can buy Sterling CAD as long as it is above 1.61, so we go up, okay? So at least to 1.64, okay? So Sterling CAD want to buy. Sterling Aussie also you want to buy, okay? Sterling Aussie also want to buy. Sterling Yen, okay, a little bit tricky because I think dollar yen may go down, okay? However, Sterling Yen, I think now the bad pattern already formed, so that's why I said in my trading view we want to take profit of the short. Okay, from 147.70. Okay, now the pattern completes and looks the candle essentially breaks up. Okay, actually breaks the downtrend channel, and now pulls back happens. Maybe Sterling Yen will go higher to 143 or 144. Okay, so I think you can start to short Sterling Yen until it hits to 144. Of course, you can still catching up buying opportunities here. Okay, because this is a bullish momentum pullback. You want to buy. Okay, so Sterling Yen also can buy. All right, DXY. Okay, DXY looks very bearish. Okay, and it breaks the low here, 91.88. Okay, so DXY may further go down to where to? Let's check. Look left. Okay, it may go back to let's just see whether this level is still holding or not. Okay, 91.51. Okay, all right. So we found some structure here, 91.51. So we need to see whether the DXY will continue to fall below or go through this one, 91.51. Okay, if it breaks down, it will go further back to 90.35. Okay, so that is quite a bearish move for the DXY. That's why I push all the euro and the gold up. Okay. However, the divergence shows, okay, the RSI didn't have a higher low, okay, not a lower low. The RSI already shows some divergence. So I think the DXY may have an up. Okay, this may be a bear trap. Okay. German 30. Okay, German 30. Yeah, same thing. So I think all the stock indices will go down because people are scared of the North Korea, the missiles, okay, and scared of the risk of events. So German 30, I think we should short, and I think we will go back to here long term, go back to 10806. You may all the way to test this level. Okay, so you want to find a place to short and hold to there. All right, okay, I think that's all for today. Have you covered dollar CAD? Yes, I've already covered. Dollar CAD is this move. Okay, just watch this move. It's important for you to watch the 1.24 whether it can hold or not. If not, you need to still have a bearish mind. Okay, if it reversed, then you want to buy. Okay, Euro Yen. Okay, let's talk about Euro Yen. Okay, the Euro Yen. I think in the daily chart, in the 4-hour chart, it actually hits into a very strong resistance structure. It's here, okay, 131 to 130.90. Okay, that is how actually the euro yen hits into, and boom, it actually come down to here. And today it just rallied back again, but you can see that it's the second time rally. We cannot go close higher. Okay, so that's why we have to find some shorting opportunities, okay? And I think now you can short some euro yen, okay? And the stop loss just above the daily high, okay? Should be okay because the euro has already goes to the resistance, and dollar yen may further go down because right now I'm bullish on gold, and therefore I'm bearish on dollar yen. So I think the dollar yen will go down, the euro USD will stay the same, or euro USD also falls. So this one will actually combine the forces to push the euro yen back. Okay, maybe our first target will be 129.20. Okay, that's how I think for the euro yen. Euro Aussie, I think is bullish. Okay, because it breaks the channel. Okay, it breaks the channel. This is a flag. Okay, this is flag. So it may go up to here to test the 1.54. Okay, the euro Aussie may go all the way to 1.54. Okay, dollar straight is already covered. Okay, already covered. It has a bad pattern here. Okay, now it's very important for you to check the price action. Okay, see whether it can actually stabilize first. If no stabilize, you don't want to buy. Okay, stabilize first. See some double bottoms in 1 hour chart or 30-minute chart or inside bars. Okay, now it's still too bearish. You don't want to buy right now. Okay, buy on when the double top. Oh, sorry, when the double bottom form. Okay. Yes, it is being recorded. I will upload to YouTube. Yeah. And guys, I'm telling you guys the news that I have seminars in the Online Traders Club in next month. Okay, so you can go to. I already published in the trading my Facebook. Okay, you can register this event. All right, so I'm going to hold a session of about 2 hours in 2017-09-14. Okay, and this will be agenda. Okay, you can come to Singapore to meet me. All right, if you have time. Okay, so yep, and my YouTube channel will be, just search for Project. You will have all my videos that I have uploaded to the YouTube. Okay, you can go to the channel to go through. I'm going to update the recordings to here. Okay, so that's all for today, and I'm going to catch the flight soon. So see you guys next week. Okay, just remember my words. Okay, the euro. Okay, the gold. Okay, where is the important level? What is the view, bearish or bullish? Which structure you want to looking at? Okay, right, and trade with your plan. Okay, you need to develop your own plan. See whether this one, okay, I want to do this, I want to trade, I want to buy, or I want to sell, based on what. Okay, if you don't have a plan, don't trade. Okay, don't trade blindly. Okay, you have to develop your own plan. All right. Okay, see you guys. Is there any sound? Yeah, it's I think it's going to close. All right. See you. Bye bye. Yeah, it have sound. All right, just wait for the recording to YouTube. Okay. Bye bye.